if A1, A2, A3 so on are the terms of an AP. Now let us write the last term is the nth term, that is the general term, and that is denoted by the letter AN. So you know that here A1 is the first term. A1 is always equals to A. So the first term of an AP is denoted by the letter A generally, and you know that D is the common difference. D is the common difference, that is common difference is equals to D. Then let us consider A1 is equals to A, A2 is equals to A plus D, that is A plus, in terms of 2 you can write 2 minus 1 into D. Then A3 is equals to A plus 2D it is, A plus 2D it is, that is A plus 3 minus 1 into D, A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A4 is equals to A plus 3D, that is A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Similarly, you can write, if you take A10, that becomes naturally A plus 9D, that is A plus 10 minus 1 into D. If you take A20, that becomes A plus 19D, that is equals to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. 20 minus 1 into D. A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So if you take AN, that becomes A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 1 less than N. Then so this becomes the nth term of AP or general term of an AP. So what is the formula to find the nth term of AP? That is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the number of terms. So then you can write AN is the general term or nth term. Formula to find the nth term or general term of an AP is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then the general form of AP becomes A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. If there are n terms, the last term AN becomes A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the general form of AP. This is the general term of AP. So formula to find the nth term of AP is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this nth term becomes the last term of the AP if there are n terms. Exercise number 1.2, there is a table in which the first term A and the common difference is D, number of terms is N, and nth term is AN. And here we have to fill in the blanks by calculating and by using the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Take the first one. Here A is given, that is A is equals to 7, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 8, AN is equals to question mark. A is to be find out. So you write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A is 7, plus n is 8 minus 1, d is 3. That is an is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 3s are 21. Then an is equals to 28. An is equals to 28. Here an is equals to 28. In the second row, note down what are given. A is given. That is a is equals to minus 18. And n is given. N is 10. An is given, that is 0, and d is not given, so d is equals to question mark. Again you write the formula for an. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to 0 is given, so you write an is equals to a is here minus 8 plus n is 10 minus 1, d is not given, that is an is equals to 0. That is minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into d is equals to 0. That is minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9d is equals to 0. 9d is equals to 0 plus transfer this minus 18, that becomes plus 18. 0 plus 18. 9d is equals to 18. D is equals to 18 by 9 is equals to 2. So here you got D, that is 2. D is 2. Next, third question. In the third row, here D is given and N is given and AN is given. A is not given, so you point A. So you write here D is equals to minus 3. D is equals to minus 3. N is equals to 18 and AN is equals to minus 5 and A is equals to question mark. Write the formula for AN. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is a is here not given. So a plus n is 18 minus 1, d is minus 3, that is equals to minus 5 because an is minus 5. Then a here 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 3s are 51, that is minus 51 is equals to minus 5. Then A is equals to minus 5 plus 51. If 51 is transferred to the RHS, it becomes plus 51. So it is A is equals to 51 minus 5, that is 46. So the value of A is 46. Next, fourth question. Fourth table, fourth row, that is here A is given, A is equals to minus 18.9 and D is equals to 2.5 and AN is equals to 3.6 and question mark is for N is equals to question mark. Then you write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is A is minus 18.9 plus N is not given. D is 2.5 is equals to 3.6. That is AN. Minus 18.9 plus multiply n by 2.5, that becomes 2.5n minus 1 into 2.5 minus 2.5 is equals to 3.6. Then 2.5n minus that becomes 18 minus 18.9 minus 2.5, that is 9 plus 5 is 14, 1, then 19 plus 2, 21, that is 21.4 is equals to 3.6. Then 2.5n is equals to 3.6 plus 21.4, then it becomes 2.5n is equals to, that is 25. Then n is equals to 25 by 2.5 is equals to 25 by, that is, if point is removed here, it becomes 250 by 25, that is equals to 10. Therefore, n is equals to 10. N is equals to 10. Next, in the fifth question, what are given? Here A is equals to 3.5 and D is equals to 0 and N is equals to 105 and question mark is for AN. Write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is, A is 3.5 plus N is 105 minus 1, D is 0. That is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0 is 0. So, AN is equals to 3.5. AN is equals to. Fourth question, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78? Here the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18, so on, and 78 is also a term of that AP. Here we have to find out which term it is. Means here A is equals to 3 and D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Let us consider 78 is the nth term, that is AN is equals to 78. Next, what we have to find out? N we have to find out. N is equals to question mark. Write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is, A is given, you write 3 plus N is to be find out, N only you write, N minus 1 into D is 5, that is equals to the AN, that is 78. Then 3 plus N into 5 is 5n minus 1 into 5 is minus 5 is equals to 78. Then that becomes 3 minus 5 is minus 2, that is 5n minus 2 is equals to 78. Then 5n is equals to 78 plus 2. 78. Here if this minus 2 is transferred to the RHS, that becomes plus 2. 5n is equals to 78 plus 2. 5n is equals to 80. So, n is equals to 80 by 5. N is equals to 5 ones are, 5 16s are, n is 15. Therefore, 78 is the 16th term. 78 is the 16th term. Then you take fifth question. In the fifth question, find the number of terms in the following APs. The first AP is here 7, 13, 19, so on 205. Here again we have to find out the value of n only. Then you write the first term A is equals to 7, D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. Then an is equals to 205 and n is equals to question mark. Then you write the formula for an. an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then a is here 7 plus n we have to find out. D is 6 is equals to 205. That is 7n is equals to 6n minus 6 is equals to 205. 6n, 7 minus 6 is 1, that is plus 1 is equals to 205. 6n is equals to 205 minus 1. 6n is equals to 204. Then n is equals to 204 by 6. n is equals to 6 1s are 6 3s are 18, 2 is remaining, that is 24. 6 4s are 24, that is 34. Here n is equals to 34. This 205 is the 205 is the 34th term. 205 is the 34th term. Then you take the second one. Second one is the AP is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, so on, minus 47. So on, minus 47. Here A is equals to 18, D is equals to 15, 1 by 2, minus 18. That is 18 minus 15 and half is 2 and half. That is negative 2 and half minus 2 and half. And an is equals to minus 47 and n is equals to question mark. Write the formula for an. an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 18 plus n minus 1. D is minus 2 by 1 by 2. Convert this into improper fraction. That is minus 5 by 2. Right here minus 5 by 2. D is minus 5 by 2 is equals to, that is an is minus 47. Then 18 minus, here you multiplies n minus 1 by minus 5 by 2. n into minus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2. Minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is plus 5 by 2. n into minus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2 n. Minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is plus 5 by 2. That is equals to minus 47. Then here 18 plus 5 by 2. 18 plus 5 by 2 minus 5n by 2 is equals to minus 47. So if you want to add these two, take the LCM, that is 2. That becomes the 18 2s are 36 plus 5 minus 5n by 2 is equals to minus 47. Then 36 plus 5 is 41 by 2 minus 5n by 2 is equals to minus 47. Here 2 you can take like this way, minus 41 minus 5n is equals to minus 47. 41 minus 5n is equals to 2 into 47 is 94 minus 94. Then minus 5n is equals to minus 94 minus 41. Minus 5n is equals to minus 5n is equals to sum of this for 94 and 41 is, it is 135 minus 135. n is equals to minus 135 by minus 5. So it is n is equals to 5 ones are 5 twos are 35 is remaining 7s are. So it is 27. N is equals to 27. Therefore this minus 47. Minus 47 is the 27th term. Minus 47 is the 27th term. Sixth question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. The given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2, so on. Here we have to check that minus 150 is the term or not. So let us consider minus 150 is the minus 150 is the minus 150 is the nth term. So you take A is equals to 11, D is equals to 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Then here let us consider AN is equals to minus 150 and N is equals to question mark. Write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is given, N we have to find out. A is here 11 plus N minus 1 into D, that is minus 3, and that is equals to 150, minus 150. Then 11, N into minus 3 is minus 3N, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3, that is equals to minus 150. Then 11 minus 3 is 14 minus 3N is equals to minus 150. Then minus 3N is equals to minus 150 minus 14. Minus 3N is equals to, it is minus 150 minus 14 is minus 164. Then N is equals to minus 164 by minus 3, that is N is equals to, here try to cancel, check whether you are getting a positive integer or not. Here you know that the sum of these 3 is 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So this 164 is also not divisible by 3. Therefore N is not a positive integer. Therefore here what you can conclude, minus 150 is not a term. Minus 150 is not a Seventh question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Here A11 is given, that is 38, and A16 is given, that is 73. 11th term is A11, 16th term means A16, and you must find out A31. Write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A11 is given. A11 means A plus N minus 1 means 11 minus 1, that is 10D is equals to 38. Then you write A is equals to 38 minus 10d. Consider this is the first. Then A16. A16 means 1 less than 16, that is A plus 116 less than 16 means 15d. A plus 16 minus 1 into d, that is A16 becomes A plus 15d, that is equals to 73. Then you substitute the value of A here, that is A is 38 minus 10d plus 15d is equals to 73. That is from first. In the first relation you got this relation, that is A means 38 minus 10d, then 38 minus 10d plus 15d, minus 10d plus 15d means that is plus 5d is equals to 73. So 5d is equals to 73 minus 38. Then 5d is equals to 73 minus 38 is that is 35. 73 minus 38 is 35. So d is equals to 35 by 5, that is 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So you got d is equals to 7. D value is 7. You must get the value of A. Here A is equals to 38 minus 10d, that is 38 minus 10 into 7, that is equals to 38 minus 10 into 7 is 70. 38 minus 70 is minus 32. It is minus 32. You got the value of A and D. A is minus 32 and D is 7, and find A 31st. Write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is minus 32 plus N is, here you must find out A 31st. So it is A 31st is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, that A is minus 32 plus N is here 31 minus 1, D is 7. That becomes minus 32 plus minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 into 7. Then minus 32, 31 into 1 is 30, that is 30 into 7 is plus 210. Then A 31st is equals to 210 minus 32, that is you got 178. So what is the value of A31? A 31st term mean 31st term is 178. 31st term is 178. Eighth question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Here there are 50 terms, third term is given and the last 50th term is given, and we have to find out the 29th term. Here the third term A3 is equals to 12 and the last term A50 is equals to 106, and we have to find out the 29th term A29 is equals to question mark. Here to find the 29th term, the first term A is needed and also D is needed. To find A and D, use the relation AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So you know that directly you can write this A3 means A3 means A plus 2D, that is equals to 12. A3 means A plus 2D, that is equals to 12. Then A is equals to 12 minus 2D, that is the first relation you got. Then you write again A50 is equals to A plus 49D. A plus 49D, that is 50 minus 1 is 49. A50 means A plus 49D, that is equals to 106. Then you substitute the value of A, that is A is 12 minus 2D plus 49D is equals to 106. A means 12 minus 2D, 12 minus 2D plus 49D. 12 minus 2D plus 49D means 49 minus 2 is 47D. That is 12 plus 47D is equals to 106. Then 47D is equals to 106 minus 12. 47D is equals to 106 minus 12, that is got 94 here. Then D is equals to 94 divided by 47. D is equals to 47 ones are, 47 twos are. So you got the value of D is 2. Then A is equals to 12 minus 2D, that is 12 minus 2 into 2, then 12 minus 4 it is. That is equals to A you got 8. After getting the value of A and D, then you find out the 29th term, A29. So you got A is equals to 8, D is equals to 2, and A29 is equals to question mark. Write the formula for AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A29 is equals to, here A is 8 plus N is 29 minus 1, D is 2. Then 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 28. 28 twos are 56. Then 56 plus 8 is 60. 56 plus 8 is 64 it is. Therefore, the 29th term is 64. 29th term is 64. In the 9th question, the third term and 9th terms of an AP are 4 and -8 respectively. Which term of the AP is 0? Here the third term is given, that is A3 is equals to 4 and A9 is equals to -8. Let us consider the nth term is 0, that is An is equals to 0, and we have to find out n. That is n is equals to question mark. And A3 means A plus 2D, that is 4. A plus 2D is equals to 4. That is A is equals to 4 minus 2D. Consider this is the first. This relation is the first one. And you take this A9. A9 is equals to A plus 8D is equals to -8. Then A is 4 minus 2D plus 8D is equals to -8. 4 minus 2D plus 8D is, that is plus 6D is equals to -8. 6D is equals to -8 minus 4. Then 6D is equals to -12. D is equals to -12 by 6. D is equals to -2. You got the value of D here and get the value of A. That is A is equals to 4 minus 2D is equals to 4 minus 2 into -2. That is 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. You got A is equals to 8. D is equals to -2. And An you have taken 0 and n you have to find out. And write the formula for An. That is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. And A is here 8 plus n we have to find out. D is -2 and An is 0. That is 8 plus n minus 1 into -2 is equals to 0. 8 plus or n into -2 is -2n. Minus 1 into -2 is +2 is equals to 0. And 10 minus 2n is equals to 0. Minus 2n is equals to 0 minus 10. And minus 2n is equals to -10. And n is equals to -10 by -2. Therefore, n is equals to 5. N is equals to 5. And here which term is 0? Fifth term is 0. Fifth term is 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. It is A17 is 7 more than A10. That is 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. And A17 means A plus 16D. A17 is A plus 16D. A10 is A plus 9D plus 7. And A cancels here. 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. Transfer this 9D to the LHS. It becomes 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7D is equals to 7. And D is equals to 7 by 7. Therefore, D is equals to 7 by 7 is 1. D is equals to 1. You got the value of the common difference. Common difference is equals to common difference is 1.